Let's make this beautiful scene in your phone using Infinite Painter. And it's a lot easier than you might think. First, I always keep the sketch layer on top and reduce its opacity. Here, I am using the gradient tool to make the background to have a smooth transition of colors. I will use the tapered inker brush to make some water ripples. And I'm gonna be using the grid guides for perfectly straight lines. Here I am making the sun reflection in the water using the bright colors. As the water is in the background, I will add the blur filter to it. And the bloom filter will also give it a glary and a shiny look. As we move to the foreground elements, I will add some plants and grass using the same tapered inker brush. To make leaves, I have put the stroke thickness of the brush to max. And we're done. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments.